Welcome back to A to Z Vocabulary, where you learn 10 new words every day, one letter at a time. Today is day 14. We are exploring 10 interesting words that start with the letter N. Stay with us till the end, learn all 10 words, and then attempt the quiz to test your knowledge. Our first word today is nebulous. It is an adjective, which means it describes something. Nebulous means unclear, blurry, or hard to understand. Now, let's see it in sentences. The instructions were nebulous, so no one knew what to do. Here, nebulous means the instructions were not clear or exact, so people could not understand them properly. Her idea about the story was still nebulous. Here, nebulous means her idea was not clear or fully formed. Our next word today is navigable. It is an adjective, which means it describes something. Navigable means easy to travel through, pass, or move around. It is often used for rivers, roads, or even situations. Now, let's see it in sentences. The river is wide and navigable for small boats. Here, navigable means boats can easily travel on the river. The website is navigable, so users can find information easily. Here, navigable means the website is easy to move around and use. Our next word today is novice. It is a noun, which means it is a name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Novice means a beginner, someone who is new to an activity or skill. Now, let's see it in sentences. She is a novice at playing the piano. This means she is just starting to learn and is not experienced yet. The novice chef made a few mistakes while cooking. This means the chef is a beginner who is still learning how to cook. Our next word today is negligible. It is an adjective, which means it describes something. Negligible means so small or unimportant that it does not really matter. Now, let's see it in sentences. The risk of getting lost on this short trail is negligible. Here, negligible means the chance of getting lost is very small. The amount of sugar in this recipe is negligible, so it won't affect the taste much. This means the sugar amount is so small that it doesn't really make a difference. Our next word today is noxious. It is an adjective, which means it describes something. Noxious means harmful, poisonous, or very unpleasant. Now, let's see it in sentences. The factory released noxious fumes into the air. Here, noxious means the fumes are dangerous and harmful. Spending too much time on social media can have noxious effects on your mood. This means spending too much time online can harm or negatively affect your mood. The sixth word today is nullify. It is a verb, which means it is an action. Nullify means to cancel something or make it no longer valid or effective. Now, let's see it in sentences. The judge nullified the contract because it was signed under pressure. Here, nullify means the contract is canceled and has no effect. Adding water to the solution will nullify its effect. This means the water cancels out the effect of the solution. Our next word today is nurture. It can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, it means to take care of someone or something and help it grow. As a noun, it is the care and support that helps someone or something grow. Now, let's see it in sentences. Parents nurture their children with love and guidance. This means parents take care of their children and help them grow. The teacher's nurture helped the students develop confidence. This means the teacher gave care and support that helped the students grow and feel confident. The eighth word today is nefarious. It is an adjective, which means it describes something. Nefarious means wicked, evil, or very bad. Now, let's see it in sentences. The villain had a nefarious plan to steal the treasure. Here, nefarious means the plan is very evil or wicked. Spreading false rumors is a nefarious act. This means spreading false rumors is a very bad and harmful action. Our next word today is nuance. It is a noun, which means it is a thing. Nuance means a small, subtle difference in meaning, feeling, or expression. Now, let's see it in sentences. She understood the nuances in his tone and knew he was upset. Here, nuances means the small, subtle clues in his tone that showed his feelings. Painting is all about capturing the nuances of light and color. This means painting is about noticing the small, subtle differences in light and color that make it look real. Our last word today is nostalgia. It is a noun, which means it is a thing. Nostalgia means a happy or sentimental feeling when thinking about the past. Now, let's see it in sentences. Listening to old songs filled her with nostalgia. This means listening to old songs made her remember happy times from the past. Visiting his childhood home brought a wave of nostalgia. This means visiting his old home made him remember past memories fondly. That's all for today. You've learned 10 new words. Now it's quiz time. Drop your answers in the comments. Let's begin. During a team meeting, Mark gave a nebulous explanation of his idea. What does this mean? A. His explanation was clear and detailed. B. His explanation was vague and hard to understand. C. His explanation was exciting and persuasive. D. His explanation was wrong. The correct answer is B. His explanation was vague and hard to understand. You are using a new mobile app, and it's very navigable. What does this mean? A. The app is confusing and difficult to use. B. The app has many colors. C. The app crashes frequently. D. The app is easy to move around and use. The correct answer is D. The app is easy to move around and use. A coach spends extra time helping young players improve their skills. This is an example of A. Nurture, B. Neglect, C. Nullify, D. Nostalgia. The correct answer is A. Nurture. When cooking, Liam noticed the nuance in the seasoning of the dish. What does this mean? A. He made the dish very spicy on purpose. B. He ignored the taste completely. C. He understood the tiny differences in flavor. D. He noticed a major mistake in the recipe. The correct answer is C. He understood the tiny differences in flavor. A group spreads malware online to steal passwords. Their actions are A. Nurture, B. Nefarious, C. Negligible, D. Nostalgia. The correct answer is B. Nefarious. That's it for day 14. You've learned 10 amazing words that start with N. From nebulous to nostalgia. Try using these words in your own sentences today. It helps them stick in your memory. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more fun vocabulary lessons. See you in day 15.